I'm not really wearing makeup, but I'm wearing makeup, but still look put together. Boom. Oh, yes. Hey guys, so I actually did my LASIK surgery about a week ago, and this is the makeup I've been kind of wearing these days. It's no eye makeup, but accentuating the skin and making it look glowy and fresh. And if you're interested in how I did it, please stay tuned. So before starting this makeup, I'm gonna actually exfoliate my skin and put on a sheet mask so I could have really nice skin to work off on. Just wash my face so I have clean skin right now. I don't really use abrasive exfoliating agents on my skin anymore. I use like a chemical one, and this one I'm using from Drunk Elephant. It has 25% AHA and 2% BHA, and I've been enjoying it like that. Mostly on like my T-zone. And then I leave it on for usually 20 to 25 minutes. Put on some lip mask. I'm just gonna put on some mask and then let that sink in for the next 20 minutes. Just last minute tapping. So I'm first gonna go in with a primer and squeeze out just a good amount. It's a smoothing primer more than like a pore filling primer, because you still want a little bit of pores to show to make it look really natural. Presses into your skin. So next you're gonna take Tinted cream. So actually I like the It Cosmetics CC cream more than this one because it has more coverage, but because this CC cream is a lot more dewier and it looks a lot more natural, I'm gonna go for this one. I'm just gonna use the flat side. I think I need a little more coverage because of the redness from the mask. So I'm actually gonna go in another layer and blend in my concealer. This is gonna be the Becca Shimmering Perfecting Concealer. I'm gonna kind of mix it. So red. Usually I don't really get that red from the mask, but whatever. So next I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I have really bad dark under circles under my eyes, just my nose. I'm gonna use my setting powder. So the sponge that it comes with, I'm just gonna tap up the excess. Go right under my eye. I'm gonna go in with my contour. And just using the smaller brush, I'm gonna contour the sides of my cheeks. Before I tried drawing this on my skin, it was not a good look. If you want your jaw to look a little bit more, you want to contour right here. Contour my décolleté a little bit too. That little curvature here. The most important part. My nose. Just gonna stamp on. This is where the fun comes in. I'm gonna use a liquid illuminator to highlight these cheekbones. Woohoo! So I'm gonna go in like a V here, top of the cheekbone, nose of the bridge. You're gonna go on the sides of your forehead like here, eyebrows, keep it bow. And then you're gonna do your cheeks. And today I'm just gonna use my lip color, so I'm gonna use Abu Dhabi. You're gonna use the illuminator, kind of blend a little bit, just like that. You're gonna use a really thin eyebrow pencil. You're just gonna draw little strokes of hair in areas you need it. So for me, I just need it here. You're gonna like put pressure, flick it out. Pressure, flick it out. Pressure, flick it out. So next I use a clear brow gel to set my brows in place. I'm just gonna re-accentuate my mole here because I really like that one. Mole here. And I have like a little bump that's growing, so I'm just gonna make a little mole there. And now I'm just gonna do my lips. Wipe off all the excess. And I'm gonna start on the inside and work my way up. You can leave your lips like this, or you can apply a gloss. I'm now using the Praline gloss. Just a little bit. So this is the final look. It's my post Lasik no eye makeup and it's just really highlighting the skin, making it glowy and fresh. Yeah, no makeup but still put together. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.